Well, it takes a bit of rummaging once you open that link for the movie, Killing Patient Zero, but I really recommend watching it. What I do is I just kind of start the play thing and then, let's see if I can do this. What I want to do is to scroll or advance it all the way down if I can. It takes a while. There's just a lot of pre-movie stuff, and maybe it takes longer than this. I don't know how to advance that little thing there, but I want to. So anyway, you go through these credits and they take, altogether too long. And it's kind of like going to the movie and they have all those trailers of, what's going to play next. And not much you can do about it, really. Just be patient and then hopefully it'll end soon enough. I wish I could advance this. I can't. It's just an unusually perfect movie for what we're going to read about. And by the way, I'll get the assignments out to you a little bit later today. And you'll know where you're going with this thing. And the essay, of course, will be done in a couple of weeks. So I've got a couple of creative ways of handling this topic, that is, engaging the reading and using a variety of readings. It's a very cool topic, kind of unusual in some ways, I guess. But let me see if I can, maybe a full screen will give me a better chance to knock this stuff out. What I want to do is just move that little button all the way over, and I can't. So I've got to see all the advertisers and get all that stuff going. Yeah, Hilton Hotel, don't forget to stay there. And Lord, 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 I wish this thing would just end. But anyway, they have to give credit to the people who have really supported the organization. And that's what they're doing. People who put in thousands. Okay, enjoy the show. Good. So we got over the unavoidable advertising, and then we get into the first link, and I'll push play on that. And this is, it doesn't take that long, but you could advance it. And the guy plays organs. He was really good. It's kind of a fun thing at the Castro Theater. If you don't want to listen to the organ, go ahead. We'll finish that. Scroll over, and some Indian activist gal. I don't know a thing about her, but if you don't want to listen to that, we'll just kind of scroll on over. And then I think, is that right? Are we finally there? I forget. Let's see what happens here. No, I've got one more speaker. So that's right. From the guy who runs this thing. Okay, good. And then I'll push play here. My God, it's like 5.
The average baseball stadium holds about 50,000 people.
Another advertisement. Okay. Good one.
StopTheVirus.com.
Good site by Gilead Scientists to stop the virus. All right. Now I think, so I don't know if that's 5 or 6. I lost count, but yeah, this is the movie finally. So just be patient. Understand that it may take a little bit of scrolling and fiddling around. And again, I think this movie is going to come off tomorrow afternoon. So this link will work for the next 28 hours or so until 4 o'clock.
I don't think I really feel any.
All right, where the heck did the recorder go? Let me go exit the screen. I think it's still recording. Sorry about that. View, exit full screen. And then let me turn the recorder off.